Shiseido The Makeup Brush, Portable Lip. A soft natural hair brush that lines and colors lips with ease and precision. A travel-sized natural hair brush that lines and colors lips with ease and precision. LOUISE MAELYS Two-tone 7 PCS Makeup Brushes Cosmetic Kit PU. Bought these after searching and reading so many reviews. I was really nervous to order makeup brushes online, but I bit the bullet and did it. These are awesome brushes, they do not shed at all. If I could change one thing, it would be I wish each brush was labeled. They are comparable to great more expensive brushes. HOSL Flat Contour Brush Foundation Brush Makeup Brushes 1 PCS. Made of super soft and comfortable synthetic fiber hair, bold handle, easy to hold. Made of natural wood. Portable and convenient for daily makeup, beauty your skin well. Both for professional and home users. Size, APPR 614x134x3 4-inch brand HOSL. Sankyuan 7 PCS Professional Powder Cosmetic Makeup Brush. Love my brushes, so soft, and came in early, which was great. Exactly how expected and worth the price. Date Work Professional 5 PC Set Toothbrush Style Eyebrow Brush Foundation Eyeliner. Soft brushes. Beautiful for contour, but the plastic handles are easy to break. Makeup Brush, Tour-Away 5 PC Set Professional Eyebrow Brush Foundation Eyeliner. I received the brushes and they are dense and very soft touch. I received them early than said delivery date. Can't wait to use them. Sankyuan 15 Colors Makeup Concealer Contour Palette Makeup. This palette is great. The highlighter is very subtle, which I love. The green and pink violet concealer work, but not to my liking. It just takes a little more work. The other skin tones colors work well for concealer as well, and also as a bronzer. The brush is great for contour but is a little big for the pen. Unimix Soft Smooth Large Oval Toothbrush, Large Oval Tooth. Amazing for the price. There is an issue with the way mine was cut, so the bristles create a divided sharp, so quality control is lacking, but it still works fine. Makeup Brushes Overmol 5 PCS UV Gel Acrylic Nail Art Brush. I love these brushes. They do start to degrade a bit with a lot of acetone use, but they are very precise and cute. Myth Tower Tree for makeup brushes and nail art. This is great. Easy to put together, holds brushes of all sizes. Dries brushes faster and helps them keep their shape. Coquette Oval Makeup Brush, 10 PC Beauty Oval Cream Puff. Took a long time to arrive, but I like the brushes. I would give them a rating of good.